Hello everyone, Imran here again from Smart Folks Real Estate Brokers. Today I'm going to show you one warehouse which is available in Ras Al Khor, insulated warehouse. Size of the warehouse is 19,890, approximately 20,000 square feet. The voltage capacity is 81 kilowatt. It has a big open space. It has a mezzanine floor. It has an office. It has a separate washroom. Here is office space. With the toilet and everything. You can check the office space here. Here is mezzanine floor. Size of the warehouse approximately 20,000 square feet. It is very good for the factory type of business because the voltage capacity is high. The height is very good, insulated warehouse, and the open space is very good. You can check from the mezzanine floor. Here is one more office space is available. If you want to visit this warehouse, please do call me on the given number. So I will arrange a viewing as per your convenience. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Here is the outer area of this same warehouse. It has office, washroom, mezzanine floor. There is 2 offices available. Total plot size is 20,000 square feet. Open area also there. Covered warehouse is also there. You can see here is a small masjid is there. It will be all your private. You can see the outer area, parking space area, which is available here. If you want to know the rent, you can check the link or you can call me for the rent. And if you want to visit the warehouse, please do call me.